Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nerichi and this is still the Nerichi show.
She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room.
If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell close to you so you'll be getting more of my videos or you get notified when I post. If this is not your first time, you're welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about tips for YouTube. I'm going to be giving you guys tips, and yeah, I love making YouTube videos basically to help other YouTubers, small YouTubers for a start. I love making videos like that, and today I'm doing a similar video. Today I'll be talking about the best time to post on YouTube. When is the best time to post on YouTube? I know this is a big problem. Many people ask these questions because after all, while we have our YouTube channel is to drop content, and also while we post, like you see people basically post, like just post at random. If you're a YouTuber, if you're a big YouTuber, you should definitely understand the best time to post. But if you're a small YouTuber yet, you could just easily wake up and just drop a video, and oh yes, that is good. But then, you know, understanding your analytics and beating your analytics, it's a good thing too for YouTubers. That is also one of the ways you can grow. So today I'll be making a video on the best time you can post a video on YouTube, and I'll be showing you guys, I'll be walking you guys through video. And why are we doing this? Is to get engagement, it's to get lots of views and all of that. So with this video, I believe it could help you if you were ignorant about this or you didn't know anything related to posting videos, because you see people waking up on a Sunday morning to post a video, afternoon, night, whatever. But this video is basically for me to give you guys a tip on when best to post your video on YouTube. So let's dive right into this. As I'm going to talk, I'm going to be showing you guys an example over here, or over here. One of them is what I mean, and so that it can also be easier for you to go and check it out on your YouTube studio. So first things first, you go to your analytics. Where is your analytics? If you're using White Studio app, it's good, but it's limited. It's not going to show you what I really want to tell you. So you go to your Chrome, your desktop site, you use your laptop or your system. But if you don't have, you use your phone, you go to Chrome and then go to your YouTube and then go to desktop sites. When you do that, you see your analytics, your overview, your reach, your engagement, your audience, and your revenue. That is where all of them shows. That's your analytics. Where we are particular about, or the main place we are particular about in this video, is your audience. Basically, your audience are the people that watches your video, so we are targeting them, and from them, that is where you know when is the right time to post a video. So when you go to your analytics, your audience, when you click on your audience, you see where your top countries, that is most people that watch your videos. You also see the audience that are watching is from 15 to 20, from 20 to 24, from 30 to 35. Where we are particular about right now is your top countries. If you're a YouTuber, it's good for you to know your top countries. What do I mean by top countries? The people that watches your videos more. If you're a YouTuber, really don't play with your analytics. I haven't gotten the hang of it yet, trust me. I don't even think I've reached like half of knowing the analytics, because the analytics, it's really a whole lot. If you want to succeed on YouTube, it's good to know your analytics really well, because if you do that, if you know that you can beat your analytics so that you can post videos, use your whole tags, do everything you can to get engagement. So I'm not really good at it. Like as you can see from here, United States is one. Then after United States, you see Nigeria. You see which other one? Malaysia. After Malaysia, South Korea. I don't know what South Korea is watching on my video though, but after South Korea, I can't remember the last one there, but those are the top countries. So for you to know when best to post your videos, the people that watches your video more, check the time. Like, you know, different countries have different time zones. Okay, say for example Nigeria. I mean, you already know Nigeria, like by this time, what's the time now? I don't have my watch is not correct, but yeah, let's just say it's 1 o'clock by this time in Nigeria. So if your top country, if the number one on the list is Nigeria, you should figure out the time to post your videos for them to watch. By this time, they're at work. From 8 to 5 p.m. people are at work, people are coming back from work. So figure out if that is the best time for you to post a video. If you post it from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m, will they have time to watch it? Because majority will be at work. And also, for you to know that, you have to know the people that watches your video more, adults, kids and all. The time you know that, if you know the category of people that watches your video more, if it's from 20 years to 35, then you know that those people are likely to be at work. And so if your top country is Nigeria, try not to post your videos around then, because you know that they are at work and they would not see it. The best time you could post your video, say from 6 o'clock, 6, 7, 8, yeah, you know that is when people are actually at home and resting and probably looking for what to watch and all. Then you can get much engagement when you post a video around that time. Okay, like mine is United States, and I think I've been making so much mistakes, because I post my videos sometimes by 4 or by 5. My most top countries is US, and United States time zone is different from Nigerian. They're probably awake by say 4, like 4 a.m. when Nigeria is sleeping is when they are awake. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So know the time zone of the countries that watches your video best, and try to post at an exact time. You know that it's gonna be comfortable for them. Okay, it's going to be convenient for them to watch your videos. Okay, that is one. And the second tips on how to know when to post your video, which is the best, it's still under the audience. You will see a particular portion where they say when viewers are on YouTube. I think it's a new stuff they brought out. Most of you, I know, don't know it. It shows you when your viewers are on YouTube. Like you see Mondays, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Then you see the time, 5 a.m, 6 a.m, 7 a.m. You see all the time. Then you see the places where the sign it's really faint, like it's white. It means few of your viewers are on YouTube. So just know that is not the best time to post. Okay, so it's where you have a darker shade of the mark. Click there, you're going to see many of your viewers are on YouTube. That is the major. Many people have asked if this really works, but I've tried it once or twice and it really works for me. And the times I did not use that, I just posted my videos. The views were not really encouraging. This is all about knowing your algorithms, knowing your analytics, and taking control of your analytics. These are the two things you should consider when posting your videos. Check your top countries and know the time that is convenient for them, and then check when viewers are on YouTube, and also use that to post your videos. And then the last one, which is not really too serious, it's the category of people watching your videos. That's like your audience. Are they like kids? Are they like adults, or older people? So you can also know the time those people are online, or people that are likely to be online. And that is basically all about this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, I think I've been talking for a long time, but I hope this video was really helpful. If there's also another thing you need to add, or that has been working for you, or when best to post your video, please kindly drop it in the comment section. Till I come your way next time,